kugamba mu lukiiko olu yagambira bakawo hamwe n'aba clerks ngu n'irembo lya gavumenti abantu aho bakushyikira nahabwe ekyo biine kwetwaza gye.
We want a public leadership that values ethics as highly as we value efficiency. We want a leadership that seeks progress over position. Don't just be there and swell your quotes and your dresses and you walk, everybody is worshipping you when you are delivering zero. Let the service speak for you. Let the service make you big. We want a leadership that views service not as a job but as a calling.
Omuringo ngugumwe abashaba ngo bahindure enteekateeka yabo nkabebembezi aha district bagirengesho kandi barete entunguka.
As a message of clarity to you all, I want to once again emphasize that you are the front line of government. When the people see you out there, they see government. Whatever you do out there, they know it is government doing it. So whether it is good or bad, that is government.
Ben kumumanya ol permanent secretary wa government zebyanga yagira ngo buri myezi 3 bakawo hamwe na town clerks nibashitama mu rukiiko urw'umwaka okugamba habikozwe engenderwaho za government hamwe n'ebizubu biri kubateganisa.
Naba local government accounting officers abo bakawo betwita chief administrative officers ne town clerks aba city ebibuga binene biri 10 n'ebirala bya municipalities asatu mu kimu. Tubaleta buli kota buli myezi 3 mu mwaka twogere ku bintu bye tukoze n'ebirala ebivude mu government policy processes n'ebirala bye twita emerging issues or challenges.
Omuringo nugwo gumwe yijisya bakawo ngo bine kurambura emyanya rukorwa mu mirimo ya government nkamarwaro hamwe n'abashaho amashomero hamwe n'abashomesa.
Bakawo baina kukora supervision ne inspection mu marwariro kuri abantu abasawo mwe bari mu masomero kuri abantu abasomesa mwe bari baina kukora abantu bafa ba agriculture tuyita extension workers ntanabo we bari bakora mirimo ngabo ikiri ate batuwe reports kwegamba tuyina ngeri je sobara kubakwata mu bwebanga tumanyite bakora.
Gabriel Atama hol chairperson wa bakawo bono mu Uganda kandi urukora nkakawo wa Tororo district yashaza mu biru kugambwa ngo bakawo no bari kusinga yo kuriyenguzi aha district.
Well, I want to categorically disagree with that assertion that we were the leaders of corruption. I don't know where that thing comes from. Most of the cows actually, when we look here, they are people of very high integrity, proven integrity, high moral standards, and what have you. So some of the areas where they have been blaming the cow, they have been bringing them without knowing the truth.
Nuwabwa John Patrick olkawo wa Shema district yagamba msharo gurukibwa bakawo gurukwingana miliyoni 2.7 ngo tugurukubasa kweza hebizu bebine kandi yashaba bongeze bo mshara.
Musara manyakawo atunga miliyoni 2.7 gross. Honestly, umuntu ari kurebera government yona district level norango wo busente rubuke with the economic situation, with the responsibilities za kawe zaine obusente buke munonga rambwe na effort still ya head of service kuragura enda kuanjara mushara gwitu.
Makuraga gasha kwa Ivan Nyesiga mu Kampala ahawate ya West.